Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are changing the plastics on my bike. Well, not yet, but we're just taking the stickers off. He's stealing my bike. Trevor's riding my bike right now. You ready to take all these stickers off?
Let's do it. Get a nice white out.
Yep.
Start peeling these stickers.
Yep.
Hope that holds it in. Yeah. Start peeling, I guess. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Ow. Comes off very easy. Damn.
It actually looks pretty sick.
It looks better in my opinion.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of orange, guys, so. And the frame is orange, so just have to deal with that.
Yeah, I can't really change that part, but yeah. We'll need to get a new like cover for that.
Yeah.
How much finger strength to just hold it? Oh, yeah, I do.
I know there's gonna be like a little bit of orange like the frame, but what if I got like an electric blue one of these?
Yeah.
Cause that blue with the orange wouldn't look so bad.
No, it wouldn't look bad at all. We should probably get a picture of this so we can remember the exact model.
Yeah.
So that's how it looks white out.
Drop for the tripod.
Now, obviously there's still like very small spots of orange.
Yeah.
You'll see it here and then kind of up here, but this you can easily replace. So there's like small spots of orange, but it really don't. Well, I guess on this side it actually does stick out a little more.
Does it?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Oh yeah.
It's weird because the KO, that's 100% red. Like that's totally red. I don't know why it's.
I should just like make it look like I have a Honda. But the real dirt bike riders will know.
Yeah. I don't care. This thing's fun.
Yeah, and it's good for me. It's my first bike, so I don't need nothing fancy.
You know, I'm 190 pounds and like, I don't know if you could see me, but like, I feel like I was ripping on this little thing. Like, it is so fun.
You gotta rip it again for the YouTube video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on it too. I haven't rode it in a while.
I got like a little lap that I do. Should I do it?
Yeah, go do it. Okay, he's gonna do a little kickstart test.
We've always used the electric start. Obviously, we know that works. So I want to try the kickstart, see how it actually works. That's fun.
You wanna take it to the street?
What?
You wanna take it to the street?
Sure.
Yeah? Hey, you still got your dirt bike thingy. Your dirt bike ramp. Let me get your keys. Put on a helmet.
No, I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna wear a helmet. I'm gonna go change my shoes first.
So she's riding the whiteout bike, recording at 60 frames per second.
Wait, what gear is it in?
It is in no gear. It's in neutral. I'll tell you, all you have to do is put your foot up here.
Huh?
Put your foot up. Now tuck your toe underneath that. Push up.
It hurts my toes. You do it for me.
I think third gear is pretty good. You want me to just put it in third for you?
Yes, please. He's putting it in third gear for me because I forgot. No.
All right, take two. Ready? As Mario would say, let's it go.
Go to this
me get a cool angle here.
That was more fun than I remember.
Heck yeah, it was.
My gloves.
Yeah, I know, it's freezing. My hands are like numb right now. Yeah, and they're all like purple and red and different colors and stuff.
I can't wait for it to be warm though.
Yeah.
Wait, since I turned
The white looks so clean. Like, it looks really good, I won't lie.
Since I turned it off though, will it not be in third gear anymore?
No, it will be.
Okay,
It'll stay in third gear until you change it.
I'm just gonna ride it up the driveway.
Okay. Don't mind me, I'm just getting the angles.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, if you guys are wondering, it's a semi-automatic dirt bike. There's no clutch. But we put it in third gear simply because in a lower gear, the bike has a lot more torque, kicks back on you. So you put it in third gear, doesn't have a strong pull, it's just an ease throttle, and it don't hurt the bike at all. She's not too comfortable yet switching gears and stuff, so we're getting there though.
What? You talking about me?
Talking about gears.
Yeah, I'm definitely not ready for a clutch either.
Yeah. You'll have to put it in neutral if you want to roll it.
That was pretty fun.
Alright, well, I'll say that's a wrap. I'll throw the bike back in the shed.